Hi, boys and girls. This is your five senses chart. On your five senses chart, you will see an eye for I can see, an ear I can hear, hands I can touch, a mouth, a tongue I can taste, and a nose for I can smell. You're going to use these categories and find a picture that best is described with that sense. Let's take a look at a skunk. Well, I know that we can see a skunk. We could touch a skunk. But whenever you think of a skunk, what do you normally think? What sense? Did you say your sense of smell? That's right. I would put a skunk underneath the smell category. Ooh, I know skunks are stinky. Let's look at another one. How about a thorn? Ooh, a thorn like on a rose. Which sense does a thorn go best with? Smell? Well, I guess you could smell a thorn, but which category does it fit in the best? Did you say touch? You're right. I would put a thorn there. Can you do the rest on your own? Good luck.